She's doing the hoop dance. Let's see. Diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. I've seen this here before.
There you are, Skylander. I have a
Wait for you to contact Mr. Eon. I am not strong as I once, so maybe you can help me perform a little magic here.
Waiting to speak to you.
There at the TikTok play on the left. That's me, that's my element.
Greetings, Portal Master. You and your Skylanders have done very well so far. And now it is
yes,
time
we
for you
played
to take
Spiral
the next
Adventure,
step in your
we
journey
played...
as a Portal Master.
You look weird.
Just as your Skylanders can level up, you too can become more powerful. Your Portal Master rank will increase as you earn stars. You can earn stars by completing missions and challenges over the course of your many adventures. Let us see how many stars you have earned thus far. Portal Master rank up. Portal Master rank up. Portal Master rank up. Portal Master rank up. Very impressive. You are well. Increasing your Portal Master rank.
Well, I could do all the stuff from here.
Return here whenever you wish to view your progress and see what new missions and
Sky.
Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna
We
skip.
cannot allow Chaos's creation of equalizers to continue. Go see Tessa.
Okay. You guys talk too long, I had to skip you. Wait, can I jump up here? Yes, I'll do that later, but I know who looks soul gems up there.
We have to figure out where those equalizers are coming from. Snagglescale thinks that those evil crystals might come from the rampant ruins.
Yep, it's true. The Rampant Ruins is an old robot graveyard. They say the robots buried there was once powered by petrified darkness, and that those evil crystals are still buried there to this day.
That's gotta be the place. Flynn and I are ready to head out whenever you are, Skylander. There, that's the dig site that Snagglescale was telling us about. Oh, I hope the Skylanders can figure out some way of stopping whoever's behind this.
Piece of cake. The Skylanders and I have been through stickier situations than this.
Oh, I'm sure you fight evil machines every day where you come from, Flynn. But I'm not like you.
Oh, too true. But let me let you in on a little.
I'll hold on that right now.
You want to know why I never act surprised? Because I've seen it all.
It's weird how Flynn came with us.
We have to figure out a way to stop them from using these parts to build more equalizers. Do you have any ideas, Flynn?
No problemo. It's time to bring in
Nothing about the monkey. Cool, you'll see. You'll see, children. Or whoever's watching it. I'm ready to play basketball with you.
Yes, Skylander.
I'm sorry.
Foul villains has invaded our dig site and are making off with our rare finds. These fragments of petrified darkness were used to power archaean battle suits and are very dangerous. You must find a way to stop whoever is behind this.
Wait, sorry. Basketball.
Skylanders
Ooh,
are
let me
fair
see. Let
and
me
are
take a
strong
peek.
in this zone.
Golden as the sun.
You have my treasure. And I want it back. I wish I could go faster. Huh. Robot Trumpy. Robot Trumpy. Come on. Can't mess with this. Ooh. Grave monkey totems. Whoa. I can make this. Oh no. It's gonna let me. I'll show you what it got hurt. Barrel bots. Oh, come on. I'll slap you with this. I'll slap you silly. Really silly. I will slap you very slowly until you get.
Only Skylanders from the fire and magic elements can unlock this gate.
Okay, let's see. Fire and magic.
Only Skylanders from the fire and magic elements can unlock this gate.
Where are you? There you go. It's gonna be a good combination.
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
Oh, I thought I could go like right through it. Oh no. Not forgetting about that. Oh. Whoa. You'll never catch me. Think all day, I don't care. How do I do this? I'm gonna have to get hurt to do this. Oh. Oh wow. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, no.
I mean you.
Mine. It's a legendary treasure. Looks like a hand. The monkey paw. The monkey's paw. Teleportation. I think that was a weird combination, but who cares? Oh my god, I didn't even notice that.
Are stronger in this zone.
slide and shuffle slide. Tonight I'm shuffling, shuffling. Oh, is today my break? Yes, freedom. Oh. Who cares? I want to do this fast. I don't care about that. I'll skip my favorite part. I'll probably maybe get my soul gem in a while. Or the bottom part of. Aw, what a cute little bat. So pretty. What the? What are you doing here? It's a sugar bat. It looks friendly. Oh.
Curious place this is. Hello again, my friends. We seem to be having a problem with sugar bats. Well, not sugar bats exactly. That'd be somewhat absurd. These were spiky, enraged, purple sugar bats. Some villain is using the petrified darkness to evilize these poor creatures.
Too easy. Oh, didn't forget about that. No, I should give it to someone else. She needs my roast. Should I do it? Maybe. Yeah.
Only a swap Skylander with the climb ability can activate this.
Okay, from now on, I'm only doing swap zones in separate videos. So, let me see. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and subscribe. And then I'll make more videos. And also because I might start pitting them instead of, I'll pit like the people who are following me only. So, please subscribe and hit the like button for those are the guys who are left for the tournaments. So please subscribe and hit the like button.